Hello guys, we use smartphone Poco M5 by Xiaomi. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Okay, open box, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover on this, key for SIM slot and documentary. And in completion, adapter for charging, Type-C cable. This is all completion. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic and glass on the front side. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side, power button and volume buttons. Downside, Type-C port, speaker. Upside, headphones jack. Okay. Display we have 6.6 inch and triple camera on the back side with LED. Turn on device. We have display IPS 90 Hz Full HD Plus resolution. Open settings. About phone we have MIUI Global 13.0.2, Android 12. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. CPU MediaTek Helio G99. GPU Mali G57. Resolution display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Not bad results. Look Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results. Okay, good. Multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches. Close this and open GTA San Andreas, the modded game. Game works very good, without lags and glitches, on the max graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera 50 plus 2 megapixels. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.